Unit 2. Flora and Fauna. Animals and humans. Differences and food habits. Differences between human beings and animals. Monkeys are closest to man in terms of physical form. Man walks erect while most animals walk on fours. His upper limbs are free, which enable him to do many things that other animals cannot do. The size of human hand is smaller than that of monkeys and chimps. Humans have a backbone that can bend forward, backward, and sideways, providing ample scope for movement. This helps them to do several things, such as turning around and doing more than one task at a time. Evolved thinking abilities and communication skills in terms of language make human beings superior to animals, thus giving them an edge. Animals communicate with each other by making sounds or by leaving certain kinds of smells behind them. In fact, animals have also been observed to be dancing at times. The brain of a human being is normally 2 or 3 times larger than the brain of the gorilla, which is the largest ape. The human brain is the most developed among all members of the animal kingdom. The young ones of animals do not depend on their parents for long. Of all animal offsprings, the human baby is the most dependent on its parents. The human body has lesser hair than that of other animals. Hence, we need clothes to cover our body for protection. Housing and comfortable living is an important part of modern living. With advantages of erect posture, free upper limbs for many uses, highly developed brain, advanced language and communication skills, man has proved to be the most adaptive animal. Types of animals on the basis of their feeding habits. Animals live in their natural habitat, which has conditions favorable for the animal's survival. Some animals, like cows, buffaloes, and horses, eat only plants and grasses. Such animals are called herbivores. Some animals, like tigers, leopards, frogs, lions, eagles, and snakes, eat other animals. Such animals are called carnivores. Some animals, like bears, crows, rats, and man, eat both plants and animals. Such animals are called omnivores. Some animals, like vultures and hyenas, eat dead animals. They are called scavengers. Organisms such as earthworms and many other microorganisms feed on dead decaying matter and are called decomposers. Different animals eat different types of food. The development of their mouth, jaws, teeth and tongue depends on the type of food they eat. Herbivores like cows, buffaloes and camels have wide jaws and strong molars. Mastication is a process of chewing and crushing of food using teeth. Animals like cows, camels, etc. bring back a part of already chewed food for further chewing from inside their stomach. Carnivores like dogs, cats, and tigers have sharp and pointed canine teeth with which they tear flesh and chew food. They have strong jaws which are needed to grind bones. Some special appendages. A chameleon catches an insect using its long and sticky tongue. Frogs also eat the same way. They do not have teeth to chew food. Hence, they swallow their food whole. Rabbits, squirrels, and rats have sharp, chisel-like incisor teeth. They can bite and cut hard and strong things with their teeth. Mosquitoes have a long tube-like structure called proboscis, with which they suck food. Female mosquitoes feed on blood and nectar, while male mosquitoes only feed on nectar. Just as you use a straw to have your cold drink, butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Butterflies keep their proboscis coiled when not in use. Shelters. All animals need shelter to protect themselves from rain, snow, and their enemies. Shelters are also needed to lay eggs or give birth to young ones. These places also protect animal babies. Domesticated animals live in man-made shelters. Wild animals make or find their own shelters.